If you want to be a technical writer, you have to build your technical writing portfolio, not just for applying for jobs, but for yourself. You can watch all the videos on this channel and read all the blog posts out there, but you will not know if technical writing is the right career for you unless you experience the technical writing process for yourself. You have to experience the feeling of being overwhelmed when learning a new technology, and then the joy of figuring it out, and then again the feeling of dread when faced with a blank page, and then writing and rewriting to finally create an effective document. You have to go through the process multiple times. You just have to. There's no way around it. And I know it's difficult to do it by yourself. I have had so many conversations with subscribers of this channel as well as my newsletter subscribers about the lack of guidance around building portfolios, and I have been wanting to provide a solution for this for a very long time, but I didn't want to make a course because I felt like I already share everything I know about being a tech writer here on this channel, so I didn't know what more value could I add. But then I had a conversation with a newsletter subscriber and that kind of clicked things in place for me. And what she said was she did not need more information about being a tech writer. She already got a lot of information from this channel. What she needed help with was applying that information and putting it into practice. That was the key word for me, practice. And that's when I realized I don't need to make a course, I need to make a workshop. So when I say workshop, I think of like a physical space, like a mechanics workshop, which has tools and workspaces, and then you can go in and tinker with stuff and try things out for yourself. And I also remembered that when I was doing my master's in technical communication, we used to have workshops, and that was my favorite part of the program. So I was thinking of all of these things, and it just made sense to make a workshop. So now we have a technical writing portfolio workshop. The workshop gives you a step-by-step process to work on your portfolio. It gives you 4 topic options, and you will select one topic to write about. By the end of the workshop, you will have written 4 technical documents about the topic. You will have written a tutorial, a how-to guide, a reference document, and an explainer document. The workshop guides you through the end-to-end process of writing documents, starting with techniques to learn new technology, the entire writing process, including the first draft, editing, revising, using industry standard style guides, and finally, feedback. After you complete the workshop, you will be able to share your portfolio with me if you want my honest opinions on the portfolio. Now that we have covered what the workshop's about, let's talk about who the workshop is for. This workshop is meant for you if you are curious about a career in technical writing. Whether you are a new graduate or transitioning from another field, my hope is that this workshop helps you experience the technical writing process and make an informed decision about whether you want to pursue technical writing as a long-term career. This workshop might not be right for you if you are not interested in writing for the software industry. My area of expertise is writing for the software industry, so that's what this workshop focuses on. I think the techniques and principles still apply to other fields, but I cannot be sure of that. Another thing to note is that this workshop assumes that you are proficient in English. Not just know English, but proficient in English. You have to make that evaluation for yourself. But if you are not confident in your English language skills, I would recommend that you invest your hard-earned money in a language course instead. And finally, this workshop is meant for people who want to practice technical writing, which is why it is intentionally named as workshop and not a course. A course usually has video series that you can consume passively and has a few assignments scattered in between. This workshop is not a video series because we already have this YouTube channel for it. We already have a series on my technical writing process, and we have another series with me actually writing a technical document. So there was no point in repeating the same video content and then charging people for it. The workshop has a lot of readings and assignments and projects. This YouTube channel is very me focused. It's me communicating my knowledge to you and then you consuming it passively. The workshop is very you focused, where you learn by doing and by deliberately practicing the techniques. A helpful way to understand the difference is looking at the emotional cycle of learning. Most of the first-time visitors on this channel start at the uninformed optimism phase. They heard about this field called technical writing and they are very enthusiastic about pursuing it as a career. But then the more they learn about it, they get into the informed pessimism phase. They either think they are not good writers or they think that they cannot learn new technology. And many of them reach the valley of despair and they quit. But people who practice the techniques and practice writing documents can work through the other side of the cycle and reach informed optimism. Both sides of the cycle are important for learning. This YouTube channel helps you through the first half of the cycle. The goal for the workshop is to help you work through the second half of the cycle. I'm clarifying this because I know I'm going to get questions about why don't you just put this information out on the YouTube channel for free? And the answer is I already have. You already have all the information that you need right here on this channel for free. This workshop is meant for people who want that extra guidance and that extra push to work through the other side of the learning cycle. It's a self-paced workshop, which means as soon as you sign up for it, you get access to all the content and you can work through it at your own convenience. I do have a recommended timeline of 21 days, but that's just a recommendation, so you can totally make the workshop fit your schedule the way you like it. Final question, how do I sign up for the workshop? So as always, I will leave a link in the description box below. A special note for the people based in India, the platform does not accept payments in rupees, so we set up an alternative payment link for you. The only problem with that is that it takes a little longer for us to give you access because there are more steps involved in the process. So that's it for this video. Just wanted to let you know that I made a workshop that you can now check out. And thank you to everyone who kept asking for a course, and I'm so sorry it took me so long to make it, but I wanted to make sure that whatever I make is valuable to you and will help you, and that is something that I'm proud of. And this workshop is something that I'm very proud of. I genuinely think it will help a lot of people. And happy 2021! I really hope it's better than 2020.